Hi friends, welcome to the Crochet Shop by Nano. In this tutorial, I will show you how to crochet this adorable. First, you need your selected yarn. Take two yarn strands together. Then, make a slip knot. Chain multiples of 5 plus 1. In this tutorial, I will make 65 chain stitches plus 1. To make the first row, skip 3 chain stitches from the hook. In the next chain, make 2 double crochet stitches. Then chain 1, another 2 double crochet stitches, all in the same stitch. Now you have shell stitch. Then skip 4 chains. In the next chain, make 1 shell stitch. Repeat this. Repeat to the last 2 chains. Then 1 double crochet in the last chain to finish the first row. Row 2, chain 2, then turn your work. Now crochet 1 shell stitch in each next chain space. Repeat this to the last chain space. Now 1 double crochet in the last chain space to finish the second row. Repeat the second row according to your selected project size.